If we can actually have more of a belonging in schools, we can get them to give more effort from an academic standpoint. If we get them more effort from an academic standpoint, then we know that we can actually impact the behavior, and the circle repeats itself. And so it can be small things, like how do we speak to people? Are we eliminating the I's, the you, the me, versus actually incorporating more collaborative language, words like we, us, and our? Like, what are we working on today? What do you mean, what am I working on? No, what are we working on today? In essence, what you're doing is you're inviting them into their life, saying that you're not going to be working on this problem alone. What are we working on? It says that we are collaborating, we are joined together in whatever it is that you're going today. Think about if you see somebody in the hall and say, where are you headed? That language is implied, like he know I'm up to something. I'm like doing the wrong thing. But you say, hey, where are we headed? And you walk them to their destination. Like we're inviting ourselves to where there's communities to where like people do not walk down the halls alone. People do not eat lunch alone. We literally have a family, a sense of belonging, a community that happens within our schools.